In this video, I'll show you how to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone after iOS 26 update. If your Face ID settings is grayed out and you cannot set up your Face ID, then here's the real guide to fix this. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, now to fix the problem, first thing first, open up the settings tab from your iPhone and then scroll down to the screen time here, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction and make sure to toggle off this option. Now once you're done, just get back to the main settings of your iPhone again, and from here just need to scroll down, tap on accessibility, and then scroll down and tap on Face ID and attention. And inside this one, you just need to make sure you have enabled all these options: record attention for Face ID, attention hour feature, and the haptics on successful authentication. And once you have enabled all this feature, you just need to get back from here and force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, just release the button and your phone will take a restart, and once you get back, most likely this will fix your problem. If none of these steps work for you, then here's the last guide that you guys can do, and this will 100% work. You just need to open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on general and tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest version, because sometimes the older version can make glitches on your device and this might have this kind of issue. But if you don't find any update, you just need to get back from here, and then from the general, you just need to scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and this time you just need to select the reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode here, and then go and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it will get back to the default. So you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And once you're done that, you're pretty much good to go. Most likely your problem is going to be solved and your Face ID grayed out problem will be fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.